Hello children. So today we are going to continue with free fall bodies. Okay. So free fall bodies, or even we can call it as freely falling bodies. So far we have covered till universal law of gravitation, and here we have proved a problem as well based on universal law of gravitation. So see, here we are gonna study about free falling bodies, or even we can call it as free fall bodies. Okay, so what does it mean? They are the bodies that fall under the influence of gravity. So say for example, some bodies will be there, anything, okay, that will be falling down, isn't it? That will be falling down. How come it will be falling down? It will be under the influence of gravity. Okay, influence of gravity, it will be there. So for example, taking a scale here, okay, taking a scale here, got it? I'm just dropping this scale down, okay. It is due to influence of gravity. It is pulling down, means due to gravity, means it is due to gravitational law of earth. So we call it as free fall body. There are the bodies that fall under the influence of gravity. So adagade tan taanage beeduvantadu, we call it as free fall. Okay, whereas no external force is applied. There won't be any external force. Okay, external force will be there, no? So for such, external force won't be there on this free fall bodies. Clear? In free fall bodies, there won't be any external force. Say for example, when a person jumps, okay, say for example, a person is jumping down, means he is influencing towards the gravity. Okay, he is influencing. Okay, the person is jumping, means he will be going up while jumping. Okay, once he goes up and come down, that is due to influence of gravity. Okay, it is due to influence of gravity, where gravity of earth is pulling down. Similarly, if we keep a ball on certain height, okay, and due to any reason it falls down. Say for example, we are keeping a ball over here at certain height. When it falls down, it is due to free fall, and there won't be any reason it falls down, isn't it? That is due to influence of gravity. Okay, it is due to influence of gravity. If you keep a ball in certain height, any height it may be, okay, certain height, on certain height tanka andre ಒಂದು ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಹೈಟ್, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣೋ ತನಕ when we keep that ball and drops down it will be falling down, isn't it? It falls down freely. So for such one we call it as free fall. Okay, it is called freely falling, because in that case when it moves down, it is just to gravitational force, and there won't be any external force acting on it. Okay children, say for example, it is freely falling down, there is no external force applied. When there is no external force applied, that for such forces we call it as free falling bodies. Okay, it means that freely falling body, it is freely falling body. Okay, similarly, let us take one other example, that is, if people are in lift and suddenly due to any reason lift falls down, then the people are freely falling in that case. Okay, so for example, some passengers will be moving in lift. Okay, some people will be moving in lift. When they are moving in lift, suddenly when it falls down, okay, suddenly when it falls down, then the people are freely falling in that case. So suddenly they comes down, it is due to gravity. Okay, then we can say that for that cases, such cases we can call it as freely falling bodies. Children, I hope now you got an idea what is free fall. Okay. Sorry. We have learned that Earth attracts object, isn't it? Earth attracts object. This is due to gravitational force. We know that Earth will be there. It attracts some force, isn't it? Earth attracts some force. That is due to gravitational force. Whereas this is due to gravitational force. Whenever object falls towards the Earth under the force alone, we say that the object is in free fall. Okay. So whenever object towards the Earth ಏನಿದೆ in force, we say that objects are in free fall. So for such one we can take it as acceleration due to gravity. Okay, you can call that such as acceleration due to gravity. So let us see what is acceleration due to gravity. Is there any change in velocity of falling objects? While falling, there is no change in the direction of motion of objects, but due to Earth's attraction, there will be change. Okay, so what happens is, while falling, when a body is falling, there won't be any change. But in direction of motion of objects, due to Earth's attraction, due to this Earth's attraction, there will be change. Okay, there will be change in a magnitude of velocity. Any change in velocity involves, say for example, any change in velocity. So any change in velocity we can take it, okay? Any change in velocity which involves acceleration. Okay, which involves acceleration. Whenever an object falls towards Earth, an acceleration is involved, isn't it? And any change due to velocity means it is influenced by acceleration. So an acceleration is involved. We do accept that acceleration is involved here. Okay, this acceleration due to Earth, this is due to Earth it will be. It is due to Earth. Got it? For such, what we call it as, it is, therefore this acceleration is called as acceleration due to gravity. Got it? Any change in velocity due to acceleration which is attracted by the Earth is what we call it as acceleration due to gravity. To understand this, you can conduct an activity in which you throw two balls on same mass. Okay, to understand this, we can conduct an activity. So let us say where we can throw two balls at same mass and same height. Okay. So let us see. Let us take some examples for this. So ball A and ball B. So this has say for example of mass 5 kg, and even this has some mass of 5 kg. These two are falling at same height, that is say for example 5 kilometers. Okay, from 5 kilometers ball A and ball B is dropping down of both same the masses, that is mass of 5 kgs. Therefore this is due to acceleration due to gravity. Okay, and it is denoted by small g, whereas gravity is denoted by acceleration due to gravity is denoted with small g. So this ball falls down. So both the ball falls at same time with same mass. Okay, both falls down equally. Sorry children. So both falls equally. Got it? Similarly, let us take one other example. We will see that both fall at same time because masses are same. Got it? Both are falling at same time because masses are same. It is 5 kg, it is 5 kg. Therefore, they fall almost at same time with certain acceleration. Got it, children? So, with this, Similar to this, let us take one other example. Okay, similar to this, let us take some other example. That is, let us take a coin, a 1 rupee coin. Okay, and here a piece of paper. One rupee coin and a piece of paper. When we drop both together, which falls down fastly? ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಗ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? More the mass which has coin, isn't it? More the mass falls down first. Paper has some less mass comparatively to coin, so it drops down late. Okay, this is just a difference for it. Both has acceleration due to gravity, but masses are different. Okay, masses are different. Similarly, let us take one other example, that is, throw one lighter and one heavier. So one lighter we have taken and one heavier we have taken. So this is similar to example small ball and big ball. Small ball and big ball we are taking. Then we notice that heavier one falls first because more the mass. Okay, more the mass irodrinda bigger ball falls down quicker, whereas smaller balls takes time. Whereas this is lighter in nature. Due to more mass, the acceleration produced in both is also different, isn't it? Acceleration changes, right, in these two cases. So this is just an acceleration due to gravity example. More the mass has, more the acceleration due to gravity. So let us see how does acceleration of gravity works. So the acceleration produced is freely falling bodies is just due to gravity. We know that. So freely falling bodies ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? It is due to gravity. Okay, acceleration produced in free falling bodies is just due to gravity. So acceleration ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ free falling bodies ಇಂದ, it is due to gravity by earth. There is no external force applied, no external sources applied. Therefore acceleration is called as acceleration due to gravity. Got it, children? For such one we call it as acceleration. Therefore acceleration is called as acceleration due to gravity. Similarly, this acceleration due to gravity is independent of masses. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು masses ಮೇಲೂ it differs on lighter object as well as heavier object. Depends upon the mass. It varies. Okay, it varies depending on the mass of it. So acceleration due to gravity, we have some derivations. So we shall derive that in the next class. Okay, thank you.